The load line convention ensures ship stability by preventing overloading and maintaining sufficient freeboard for safety. Objectives: prevent overloading, avoids excessive submersion, ensures seaworthiness, maintains buoyancy and stability, adapt to climate conditions. Load limits vary by region. Standardized safety measures ensures global compliance, protect lives, cargo, and the environment. Reduce maritime risk. Load line markings. TF means tropical freshwater. F is for freshwater. T is for tropical seawater. S is for summer. W, winter. And WNA is for winter North Atlantic. Each adjusts for water density and weather. This marking prevents excessive submersion, improves ship stability, and ensures the safe navigation in varying conditions. Thank you.